So in this Vista Create tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to create an Instagram post on Vista Create. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Vista Create application or the website. Once that is done, simply just go to the home screen here. So go to the top left, press on home, then make sure that the For You page is selected, or as the social media page as well. We'll do the same trick, and right here, right beside custom size on the home screen, it says Instagram post, which is also known as 1080 pixels by 1080 pixels. Simply just press on Instagram post right here. Once you're on this screen, what it's going to do is actually open up an Instagram post dimensions here. So what you can do now is add a post on Instagram. So let's just say, for example, select this photo right here. I will make this as large as the dimensions are right here. So this way that when you post this on Instagram, it'll show up in the same dimensions as that you need to show on Instagram. So fairly straightforward, but this is how to create an Instagram post on Vista Create. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.